Hello everyone, today I'm going to execute my project recovering from node failure in wireless sensor actor network with minimum changes in topology. So the first thing to note here is that this project runs on a Linux distribution. So you must have a Linux OS with Network Simulator 2 installed. First thing you have to do is open terminal. This can be done by pressing Alt Control T or from the home folder. Next we have to navigate to the place where our file is located. In my case it's in documents. The file which has to be executed here is nodebackup.tcl as it's shown here. So what's happening now is the distance between the nodes are being calculated. We have to wait until this process is complete. After the distance calculation has been completed, we have to move to this file. The sensors are indicated by blue color and the actor nodes are indicated by green color. So what happens here is sensor nodes, they are going to sense the state of the actors, whether they are healthy or not. If the actors are not healthy, they will change their colors to red. We can also forward the simulation process by using the slider over here. The things which are getting dropped here are packets. As you can see here, the color of actor 5 has changed to red, which means it has entered its critical state. And the color of actor 25 has changed to yellow, which means it's going to act as a backup for actor number 5. Now what's happening here is the content of node number 5 is being transferred to actor number 25. Now actor 13 has entered the critical state and actor number 1 is acting as a backup for it. Next thing that is happening here is topology management. That is making changes to the topology in such a way that many of the nodes don't get affected. That's it, our topology management is done. Here the nodes are moved in such a way that the network is not disrupted in any way. The communication can still go on even though actors 5 and 13 have failed. Next we have a graph here showing the packets that are lost. As you can see in the proposed system, the amount of packets that have been lost is very less compared to the existing system. So the proposed system is a way to go. Thank you for listening.